In this video, we will review the recovery process of different services of Microsoft 365 and Google G Suite in MSP360 Managed Backup Service. Recovery Basics. Since the user interface, settings, backup, and recovery capabilities are the same for Microsoft 365 and Google G Suite and MSP360 Managed Backup, we will use Microsoft 365 as a reference in this video. 1. To recover emails, contacts, and calendars for a given user, you should choose that user in the menu. To do this, go to the Users tab and click the icon of the required service next to the needed user. Alternatively, if you go to these tabs under an administrator account, you can switch to the required user in the upper left corner. 2. To recover Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive files, SharePoint, or Team Drive, you should use the domain administrator's account, since it has access to all the resources in these services. To do this, you can simply switch to the Drive or SharePoint tabs from either the Users tab or the Home page. Now we will discuss the recovery of the services in detail. Email recovery. There are 3 ways you can recover your emails. You can recover your whole mailbox at once, recover the selected folder, or recover selected emails from the selected folder. 1. To recover your whole mailbox, click the Restore All button and choose between the recovery and the recovery to the selected domain options. A. The option Restore All means that the mailbox will be restored to the recovery folder of the original domain. This will allow you to choose what you need to restore and what to delete without cluttering your existing inbox. B. The option Restore All To allows you to restore your mailbox to a different domain. To do this, you will first need to log into the domain you are going to restore the mailbox to, and then proceed with the restore. 2. To recover a specific folder, select the required folder and click the Folder button. You will then be able to restore that folder to the original location or a different domain. 3. To recover specific emails, choose the folder you need, then click the checkboxes next to the emails you want to recover. You can select up to 200 emails in a single restore. To do this, change the number of emails per page in the upper right corner of the screen and proceed to select the emails. After this, choose between the Restore and Restore To options. As in the previous options, you can restore the emails to the original domain or to a different one. Contacts and Calendar Recovery. In MSP360 Backup for G Suite and Office 365, contacts and calendars are recovered in a similar manner. Click the required tab and select a contact, calendar, or group, or recover all backed up entities. Bear in mind that the restore will start as soon as you click any of the restore options. Drive recovery. Since the domain administrator has access to all the files of any user, we advise you to recover data from this account. You can recover a single file, folder, or selected folders, either to the original location or to the restore folder to avoid clutter. If you click any file, you will see all the revisions of that file. You can recover each file to any point in its lifetime. SharePoint recovery. As for Drive recovery, SharePoint recovery should be done from the domain administrator account. The recovery process is also similar to that for Drive. You can recover the selected folder or files to the original location or to the restore folder. End user recovery. You can allow end users to enter your MSP360 Office 365 G Suite Backup and Recovery console under their own domain credentials, either to see the backed up data or to recover it. To do this, go to the Users tab, select the required user, go to the Permissions tab in the slide-in that appears, and select the Sign In and Restore options. That's it! Now you know how to perform recovery of your Microsoft 365 and Google G Suite services. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our pre-sales team.